So, out here in Yowie Bay on a bloody windy day today for a customer who's had 7 technicians over the last 3 years come to try and work out what's going on here. But the leading cable is stuffed. Now, this box has been hanging off windy as. Alright, so I don't know if you can see this, but the back of the box there, the cabling is just shit. Got insulation resistance problems on it. Alright. So we're going to replace this leading cable. So he's had 7 techs out here and they haven't done anything. These old scotch locks, they've been on there forever. They haven't even tried to fix that up. This is just shocking. So the cable's fallen to bits. Look at that, the wire there, the catenary wire, it's all buggered. So we're going to replace this whole thing, get him working. Scumbags. So I've snipped this little box off, right? As you can see, this one, this white, the blue, off the blue white, that was completely broken, right? Now, I've got to make an amendment. It wasn't 6 technicians, I just spoke to the customer and showed him this. It's actually 16 technicians over 3 years they've had, and not one of them could have found this. I found it in, what, a minute? Unbelievable. And then, so what had happened, they'd split the pairs, and coming into the customer's place, they had blue-black, I believe it was. But you can also see here too, I just touched the black one and that just come apart straight away from that. So they were getting crackles all over that line. His internet drops out every time it gets windy. And as you can see today, got some pretty high winds here. So we're going to replace the leading cable all the way, bypass this little piece of junk and give him a brand new cable. Unbelievable, 16 technicians and they couldn't find this. What a shocking display. All right, here we go.